Ini jeng Maharaja ni wansok mung. Ini jeng yapre laika. Kumulungwa. Ini North East Small Finance Bank. Ini branch opening kaika. Mahake cara Tripura ada branch klok jangnai North East Small Finance Bank. Sini Adc by MU signing kaijak. Sini Tripura lukurongno jeng banking service ni bisingtwi bekarongno jeng loan ni bagoi jeng proses khlainai sakhanai biaba tabok jeng kahangke saime khosba busuk manai busuk janana roimanai amo tabok khana jeng thik khaime kho ani ke jeng maximum lukurongno jeng benefit khainai ni bagoi jeng yapre selaijak jeni bobagrani bisingtwi khainai salo jeng bank ni bisingtwi busuk benefit ma abo jeng department wise loan ni byabostha busuk Thinang Chungsasa jeng chalok khainai hainai jeng agreement khalaijak Thinang Chungsasa Bisingtwi ARDD fisheries agriculture sector jeng jara loan nawai sakbai thangya pri karak nani bagai economically strong nani bagai sakthanai rokno jeng chubanai ARDD department ni hoite phainai fisheries department ni hoite phainai jara fisheries charge khaiwi sakbai thangni rang puja rang bidino karak khainai ni wansok khainke fisheries department ni bisingtwi rimani bisingtwi phaimanai pon walk talk rimani bisingtwi sakbai thangno rang biti mosbut khainai karak khainai hangke ARDD department chi phainai dei buchini Tripura jeng jotno saimani agriculture development ungya hangke chini economic development ungya hani bangai agriculture sector nang moi kutung khainai ni hoite surup khaiwi bagan khainai ni Hai loan nana ni bagai jeng system khai tongo local ni rupuro o amchai ni lupuro temano samung khaiwi rang ajiwi manai omono basic idea nawi ni jeng MU signing khaika tani ge jeng juda bank lo thangkhai ke je boroni system bai bomahai no loan ma bono naiwi si ma khai chini orong ge jeng system khaika North East Finance Bank by jeng system khaika jeng Maharaja system khaika nung nini am saibo nung bomono nawi nung rang puja ajai manai obo Tripura lukurok si wansok di ang omong bai si ani area wo byabosa khaiwi rang puja ajai manai boni bagai ang rang nango khangke bono nahawi project sinadi je buinoro nini dupkathi sulas nawi buinoro byabosa khaiman aro jaga dupkathi khainai je jaga nung moi kuthung khai kokia kaiwi sin nung
I really appreciate that Tripura Tribal Area Development Council has given us this opportunity to have an MOU with them to open branches in the interior areas. And for opening of accounts, you can have all the accounts here like all other banks, all other commercial banks. Though this is named a small finance bank, not a small finance bank, it is actually a regular sort of scheduled commercial bank with a mandate to do financial inclusion, for which the name is small finance. That we have to give finances up to 25 lakhs maximum to the people, for which the license is as named as small finance bank. Otherwise, you will get all the benefits here of our regular scheduled commercial bank. You can open a basic savings account without paying any money by simply giving your KYC papers, that your identification proof as well as your address proof. These are two essential documents you have to hand over. You can open business accounts with as minimum as only 5,000 rupees, where in other banks you have to give minimum 10,000 rupees. And you can apply and avail small loans for all livelihood generation activities, for agriculture, for weaving, for handicraft, for any livelihood generation activity, for piggery, for goatery, for fishery, for anything you can avail the loan from here. And Tripura Development Council has very kindly agreed to give interest subvention to these fresh borrowers also under the district council area. So that also people should avail that benefit. And all other even commercial vehicle loans also you can apply. You can apply for any other loans. That's what is the case. And we'll be happy to serve you here with all sincerity. This is the first branch, and we are opening another 8 branches in the Tripura Development Council area. Yeah, in the Adc area. So we'll be opening another 8 branches. The next branch will be Killa and in Kowai. These 2 branches will be opened.